Yeah, this is the Bonfire Night YouTube video special. I'm just gonna basically just you watch fireworks. By the way, this is the moon currently. It's a super moon. Yo. Gotta zoom in on all that action. Whoa. Well, anyways. You know what? You can... Damn, that's loud! Yup, damn. I'm not gonna say where I'm gonna go tomorrow, but tomorrow I'll be going somewhere of important significance. Well, to the First World War, anyways. By the way, guys, I'm not trying to be a beggar, but can you guys subscribe? Because give me a sec. Okay, that's enough looking on that side. The moon's right there. Yo, I might take a pic of that. Most of the action is happening on the other side, which I'm showing. Barely anything's happening on this side. So, yep. And that's the Bonfire Night special. I'll get some posts of what I saw. I think I saw like a B-2 bomber earlier. I zoomed in really close, but on the photo it just looks like pictures. Looks like it's either a plane or that's a B-22 bomber. One last check outside before it's our time to go. I hope you're hearing all this, because all I can hear is kabang, wham, bang. Because it is Bonfire Night. By the way, the super moon will last until Sunday. I might make a couple videos about it. So it lasts for 3 days total. Good. Anyways, that's my video, and bye bye. Bye bye.